Are you ready, Rockstar, to manifest 10x? It's time for you to realize that you get to have it all. When things truly shifted for me, it's when I realized, actually, I get to have it all. And I am worthy to have and experience all of it. And so do you, beautiful soul. We need to remember that manifesting is meant to be fun. It's meant to be fast, and it's meant to feel incredible. And yet so many of us continue to drown in worry and doubt and fear, feeling like what you want is out of reach and out of your control. And the truth is, you have complete control. You are the manipulator. You are the creator of your entire holographic human experience. And in order to take control of your life, you must take control of your vibration. I'm going to tell you right now, if your programming system is not on board with what you want to create in life and everything that you deeply desire, love, money, health, success, you will continue to feel like life is a struggle. So it's time to break free from the struggle. It's time to manifest what you want in the most fun, delicious, accelerated way where you remember your power. You remember who you really are because you are the creator. So Manifest 10X is a 5-week accelerated manifestation adventure. This is literally the step-by-step process of what I implemented 6 years ago when I transformed my life, and it had me go from a 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck, lost, unhappy, no purpose, no self-belief, into a full-time manifestation coach and shifting into my first $10,000 cash week within 3 months into my business. And I still use these tools to this very day, which has had me manifest multiple 100K cash months, huge speaking gigs in front of ideal audiences, sold out workshops around Australia twice, and so much more. And let's be honest, creating these things took courage. And what I see so often is so many of us trying to bypass the vibration of courage. And trying to bypass courage is like trying to bypass life. The truth is, courage is the gateway to manifestation heaven. And in these 5 weeks, this is not just about you implementing life-changing tools, but it's also about activating a new level of self-belief inside of you. So you build a bulletproof mindset and your entire state of being completely transforms, because it is that energy that's going to make you all the money that you want, that's going to have you attract the love of your life and any other desires you deeply have. This is what the whole program is about. And the fastest way to quantum shift realities is to shift your state of being. So you need to create a whole new identity. And how we do this is conditioning ourselves from the inside out. And it is my promise that when you implement these tools and you do them consistently, your life will pop and explode in multiple areas in ways that you didn't even think was possible for you at rapid speed. And it all starts with a powerful decision. So what do you choose? You're gonna do this course someday, one day, or is today day one of your entire new life where you shift into a manifestation rock star? I love you, and you know in your heart if this is for you. If you're ready, click the link below and I'll see you inside the portal, baby, for week 1, which alone is going to blow your fucking mind. Mwah.
I've always liked to play with fire.